This is the revision lecture for class 10 physics of reflection chapter in the sense of solving numerical. In this lecture, we will solve out two numericals, one based on convex mirror and other based on concave mirror. And just before solving these two numericals, you will have to remind all the cases for concave. I think you are knowing how many cases for concave. In case of concave, total cases are 6, but in case of convex mirror, only 2 cases. And what is the position of object and what is the position of image and what is the nature of focal length, either positive or negative, whenever knowing about each and everything along with rules for image formation, then there will be no problem in solving any numerical based on either convex mirror or concave mirror. Let's see what is the concept of these two numericals. First numerical here, an object 5 cm in length is placed. Here length means that is height, either length or height. At a distance of 20 cm, this means what? U in front of a convex mirror of radius of curvature 30 cm means capital R, and this is the value of U. So for solving any numericals, whenever the quantities are clear, then you can solve out very simply. Solution first, let's see, very easy numerical. Object 5 cm in length or height, it means object height means h1 is equal to 5 cm. Object means above the principal axis, that's why taken positive. And U always negative, either in case of convex mirror or concave mirror, no matter, always negative. The U 20 cm with negative sign. And radius of curvature, that is capital R, is equal to 30 cm. And we are knowing that what? R is equal to 2f. A relation between focal length and radius of curvature. Then f is equal to R by 2. So 30 upon 2 means 15 cm. And for convex mirror, just see the condition of this one convex. In this way, this is the convex mirror. And convex mirror focal length lying right side, this is the center of curvature, this is the focus, and the focus and pole distance between focus and pole, that is focal length. It means incident ray coming from left to right and measurement of focal length also towards along the direction of incident ray, that way taken here positive sign. Now by using mirror formula, and we are knowing that mirror formula 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. Here we have to calculate what? Position of image means V. So 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon F minus 1 upon U. The value of F, that is 15 cm, and U value here minus 20. 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon 15 minus plus 1 upon 20. So 20 and 15 LCM 60. 15 divided by then 4 and divided by 20 then 3. So overall 7 upon 60. 1 upon V, then V is equal to 60 upon 7. It means 7 in millimeter form, 60 in meter form. When we divide, then 8, 7 is 56, and 4, then point 0, 7, 5 is 35, and 5 remaining, then 5 after 0, so 7, 7 is 49. Approximately we can take this one 8.6 centimeter. The value of V obtaining positive, it means the image nature is value V here positive means image right side, and right side image whenever obtained. In case of convex mirror, you are knowing there are only 2 cases, and in each case image is virtual and erect. Here positive means erect, and whenever erect then virtual. Image size we will find in next step. Then nature and position clear. Then by magnification formula. By magnification formula, m is equal to what? Minus v upon u is equal to h2 upon h1. V value here 60 upon 7, and u value that is equal to minus 20 equal to h2 upon h1 here, that is 5 centimeter. Then h2 is equal to minus 60 upon 7 into 1 upon minus 20 into 5. 5 for the 20 and 4, a minus minus plus, so cancel out, and 4 15 ja 15 upon 7. h2 is equal to, then 15 divided by 7 gives what? 7 to the 14, 1 remaining, 7 on the 7, and 3 0 7 4 28. 14, 1 0, and 7 on the 7, 3 0 7 4 28. Either 2.14 or 2.2 we can take, no problem. So h2 is equal to 2.14 centimeter. This is the height of image, and this height that is very less, nearly half as compared to 5. So the size of image is reduced. Very simple. I just remind all the terms related to either image formation cases or rules for image formation, and along with formula, either mirror formula or radius of curvature and focal length relationship or magnification formula, you can solve out any numericals. Just after solving this first, we will solve second. And second based on concave mirror. Same as very simple concept. Here in second problem, what is given? Just see, an object of size 7 cm, size here h1, placed at 27 cm in front of concave mirror of focal length 18 cm. This is what? Object height means h1, and this one is object distance u, and this is the focal length f. In case of concave mirror, just like in this case, see here, concave mirror, when we take the incident ray in this direction, then this is pole and this is focus and this is center of curvature. So distance between focus and pole, that is focal length. So incident ray left to right, but measurement from right to left, it means focal length in this case taken negative. So given terms what? Just write h1 is equal to 7 cm, u1 always negative, that is minus 27 cm, and f is equal to also minus 18 cm. Why minus? Means just opposite to the direction of incident ray. For concave mirror, that's why the focal length negative. So by mirror formula, 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. In a calculation means at what distance from the mirror should a screen? Screen means whenever a screen placed, then the image of the object will be formed on the screen. That's why we have to calculate what? Image distance. Here, distance from the mirror should a screen. It means whenever image distance is clear, then at that point we will adjust the screen where the image will form. So 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f minus 1 upon u. F value 1 upon minus 18 and minus object distance 1 upon minus 27, and 18 27 LCM 54, and here minus 3 and plus minus minus plus. So 1 upon v is equal to what? Minus 1 upon 54. V is equal to minus 54. Minus sign means what? The object distance as like minus here, and image also here obtaining minus means image will be in the same direction as like the direction of object. It means image also lies in the left side. It means along the direction of object, along object side. So image formed at 54 centimeter along the object side, along the object side. At this point we will adjust the screen, and then second we have to find the size and nature, and by using magnification, m is equal to minus v upon u is equal to h2 upon h1. This is the magnification formula. Magnification here u given and v just obtained, h1 also given, so we have to calculate what? h2. h2 is equal to minus v upon u into h1. v value, that is minus 54, and u value minus 27, and h1 value 7. Minus minus cancel, so remaining minus 54 upon 27 into 2, not 2, 7. 27 to 54, so minus 2 into 7, minus 14. h2 is equal to minus means what? That lies below the principal axis. It means image will form just down the below principal axis. It means real and inverted. So image nature, image size is 14 centimeter, real and inverted, and also larger than the object size, larger than the object size. These two numericals from NCERT textbook. If any problem from any textbook you have, then you can ask me and make a comment in the comment box, just like my YouTube channel. So in any problem, suppose the physical quantity what are the given, if clear, then what you have to calculate, that very easy, by knowing all the terms along with either rules or image formation cases, and either mirror formula, magnification formula, and radius of curvature in focal length relationship. Thank you so much.